Joining me now from the Denver Gold Forum is Gerald-Panneton, CEO and President of Detour Gold. Thank you so much for being with me.
Thank you very much.
How is the show for you so far?
The show is very good. The show is very upbeat. There's a lot of people. I've been in meeting all day long with investors, and I think people are kind of like back from the summer doldrum.
Absolutely, right? Traders are back at the desk, and now September should be a busy month, right?
Yes. Well, you got the U.S. election coming. You've got a lot of different things, but I think the gold sentiment is back.
Okay, so talking about being busy, Detour Gold might be sitting on a huge gold mine, no pun intended, right, Gerald?
It is actually to become the largest gold mine in Canada, not just for 5 years, but for 21 years.
Wow.
We're at an average production rate of 650,000 ounces a year.
Right.
So it's quite of an achievement from having started the company 6 years ago.
Wow. So how many ounces of gold do you think you're currently sitting on there?
We have 15.6 million ounces of gold in reserve, plus an extra 20 million ounces in resource.
Wow. So what would you say is one of the biggest challenges you're facing now as a mining CEO?
Mining CEO today has to complement itself with a lot of different skilled people because the lack of professional skill is hurting us. We need to take our time to find the right people. It took probably, for example, a year to find the right chief geologist to operate the mine. But we are finding the people, but we have to be very patient and pay more.
Right. Well, that's something that I'm hearing often is that there is a shortage of geologists. So that's not something that's going to be solved anytime soon, Gerald?
No, because, we since the days we've graduated in the 80s, the shortage has started there back 25 years ago when we shut down geological department, mining engineering department, and we're paying the price now. There's not as many people as there could be.
Okay. Let me ask you something else. Australia's natural resource minister a few weeks back said that the mining industry there might be coming to a halt. He said that the week that BHP suffered a 30% drop in profits. Is that something that you could see eventually spill over into Canada?
No, Canada is different. Australia is very oriented into basic commodities like iron, coppers, and others. They do have a gold industry, but I think Canada is a lot more towards coal, the tar sand, the oil sands, the gold mining industry. I don't see the same effect in Canada.
Okay.
On the contrary, I find that the resource sector in Canada will do better.
So something else I've been hearing at this conference is that this should be the year for gold mining stocks to finally take off. I know we've been hearing this a long time, but people seem pretty dead set on this. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, gold price definitely will help. There's been a lot of difficult time over the last 2 years for the miners. It's about time we give better news to the market, and hopefully Detour Gold will be one of those next year.
Absolutely. So when can we expect to hear news about this largest gold mine opening in Canada?
Commissioning is around the corner, November.
Okay.
Gold production in January, and commercial production probably in the third quarter next year.
Okay.
So we're looking good for a good production for next year.
Well, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you for your thoughts today.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching our continuous coverage from the Denver Gold Forum. You can email me at newsfeedback@kitco.com. Reporting from Denver, I'm Daniela Cambone.